Page number 307 and question number is 13. Journalize the following transactions in the books of Narendra. So it is journal of Narendra. Here we means we are Narendra. We are Narendra. Okay. And very important, you please remember that our acceptance to somebody मतलब bills payable. अगर हमने किसी को acceptance दिया है तो वो bills payable है. And if somebody is giving us acceptance, it is a bills receivable. Okay. Look at the first transaction, please. A, that is Narendra retires his acceptance. Narendra's acceptance, his over acceptance, मतलब bills payable. वो हमने retire किया है. Okay. To Upendra by paying 4,000 in cash, okay, and endorsing accepted bill by Ramlal for 5,000 rupees. तो हमने क्या किया? Narendra retires his acceptance to Upendra by paying 4,000 in cash. उसने 4,000 रुपए cash में दिया and endorsing a bill accepted by Ramlal 5,000 rupees. Now here what happens? I'm telling you. We are Narendra, okay. अदर पार्टी से उपेंद्रा. उपेंद्रा को नरेंद्रा ने कैश दिया. द कैश पेड इज 4,000 एंड वन बिल इज एंडोर्स्ड व्हिच इज अ बिल रिसीवेबल व्हिच इज ड्रॉन ऑन रामलाल फॉर 5,000. ओके. Now here Upendra is the receiver of the cash and bill receivable, but against his bill, मतलब bill के अगेंस्ट उसको पेमेंट मिलने वाला है. ओके. अगेंस्ट द बिल मतलब इसका ये मतलब हुआ कि उपेंद्रा ने नरेंद्रा के ऊपर मतलब हमारे ऊपर एक बिल ड्रॉ किया था 9,000 का. द बिल ऑफ 9,000 व्हिच इज अ बिल पेएबल फॉर नरेंद्रा. To retire this particular bill of 9,000, Narendra paid to Upendra in cash for 4,000 bill receivable 5,000. Okay. यहाँ पे ये जानना जरूरी है that we are Narendra. We have given the acceptance of 9,000 in total to Upendra. Now to retire the bill, this particular bill, we are giving him the cash of 4,000. And we are endorsing one bill which was drawn by us on Ramlal of 5,000. तो ये एंट्री कैसे आएगा? देखो यहाँ पे किसी पार्टी का नाम नहीं आने वाला. ओके. अगेंस्ट द लायबिलिटी वी आर गिविंग द कैश and we are giving one asset. मतलब लायबिलिटी हमारा बिल्स पेएबल का 9,000 है, उसके बदले में हम लोग कैश दे रहे हैं 4,000 rupees. And one endorsement is given of 5,000. So the journal entry for A entry is to be taken in this way. Okay. Bills payable account debit. This is a liability. Bills payable account debit. Total 9,000. 9,000 कैसे आ गया? 5,000 plus 4,000. To cash. The payment made in cash 4,000 and to bills receivable account it is 5,000. So this is the entry. मैं आपको वापिस से एक्सप्लेन करने वाला हूं, लेकिन आपको अच्छी तरह से सुनना है. ओके. ये कुछ अलग ही है. देखो मतलब देखो यू आर नरेंद्र, हम लोग वी आर नरेंद्र, मतलब हम क्या है? नरेंद्र है. हमारे ऊपर उपेंद्र ने एक बिल ड्रॉ किया था जिसका अमाउंट दिया नहीं है, मतलब वो 9,000 है, दिया नहीं है, लेकिन हमने वो टोटल करके 9,000 ले लिया. टू रिटायर आवर एक्सेप्टेंस we are giving the cash of 4,000 and we are endorsing the bill which is drawn on Ramlal, okay, 5,000 rupees. So in this way we are doing the retirement of the bill. Okay, मतलब हमारे ऊपर जो बिल्स पेबल था वो हम रिटायर कर रहे हैं. Narration. Being In the retirement of acceptance to Upendra, cash paid, and Ramlal's acceptance endorsed. मैं आपको ये अलग तरीके से वापस समझाता हूँ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अभिषेक ने मेरे ऊपर एक बिल ड्रॉ किया है, ओके, जिसका मुझे पेमेंट करना है. तो अभिषेक को मैंने क्या बोला, भाई अभी ये 4000 तुमको देता हूँ, और मैंने एक रामलाल के ऊपर बिल निकाला है, वो भी बिल आपको देता हूँ. तो 4000 वो हो गया, 4000 कैश एंड 5000 बिल रिसीवेबल ड्रॉन ऑन रामलाल. तो कुल मिला के 9000 आई एम गिविंग टू अभिषेक. म्हणजे अभिषेकला मी 4000 कॅश, 4000 कॅश आणि 5000 चं बिल एंडोर्स केलेलं आहे. अशा प्रकारे मी त्याच्याबरोबरचा जे काही माझा व्यवहार आहे हा सगळा संपवला. आय एम क्लोजिंग डाऊन द ट्रान्झॅक्शन विथ Abhishek. Okay, here it is Upendra, nothing else. Now second case. Vikram's acceptance to Narendra. Now for this we are drawer because it is Vikram's acceptance to us. We are Narendra. Vikram के ऊपर जो हमने एक बिल ड्रॉ किया था ₹6,000, retired 1 month before the due date at a rebate of 12% per annum. एक महीने का हमको कैलकुलेशन करना है. Okay, on 6,000 we are going to calculate the discount at the rate 12% for 1 month. At the rate 12% for 1 month. इसका आंसर आने वाला है ₹60. Okay, and 6,000 minus ₹60, the amount is now remaining 5,940. Now this is a retirement entry, but we are taking as a drawer. For first entry, it was taken as a drawee. Okay. So here in this particular case, it is changing. You know, the role of Narendra is changing. किसी बिल के लिए वो drawee हो सकता है, किसी के लिए drawer हो सकता है. अभी B केस में वो drawer है. Now entries to be taken in this way. Cash account debit 5,940, 60 rupees minus करके. Discount oblique rebate account debit. Discount oblique rebate account debit ₹60 to bills receivable account. To bills receivable account ₹6,000. So this is a retirement entry. Retirement of the bill entry is the books of drawer. As a drawer उसने entry pass किया है. All right. Now next, इसका narration लिखो. Being bill retired by Vikram under 12% discount for 1 month. 12% discount for 1 month. Now look at C case. It is a renewal case. Renewal का केस है. Renewal में आपको मालूम है 4 स्टेप्स आते हैं. Sometimes 3 steps, sometimes 4 steps. Number 1, पहला ओल्ड बिल कैंसिल करो, फिर पार्ट पेमेंट ले लो, इंटरेस्ट चार्ज करो और नया बिल निकालो. अब यहाँ पे क्या दिया देखते हैं. दिलीप renews his acceptance. दिलीप ने अपना एक्सेप्टेंस रिन्यू किया है. Dilip's acceptance to us, Narendra, means it is a bill receivable for us. For this bill, Narendra is again drawer. So Dilip renews his acceptance to Narendra for 12,000 by paying 4,000 in cash, accepting the fresh bill for the balance plus interest 12% for how many months? 3 months. Okay. So in the C case, there are 4 entries. पहला बिल कैंसिल करो. Dilip account debit. to bills receivable account. Now here assumption is that the bill is with drawer, bill drawer के पास है और dishonor हो गया, cancel हो गया. Dilip to bills receivable 12,000 rupees. Narration. Being Dilip's acceptance cancelled. Dilip's acceptance cancelled. Now calculations. Out of 12,000, presently he is doing the payment in cash 4,000. And the balance left is only 8,000. Now on the balance 8,000, there is an interest of 12% for 3 months. For 3 months. तो इंटरेस्ट कितना आता है देखते हैं. So interest amount is 240. This is the amount of interest. 3 महीने का इंटरेस्ट मैंने आपको आपके सामने कैलकुलेशन रखा है. This is included in the balance. और आपका न्यू बिल आने वाला है. This is the amount of a new bill. Is 8,240. Now we are going to take 3 entries, one for part payment, one for interest, and one for new bill. Okay. Now first of all, part payment received, उसका entry आने वाला है cash. Actually, we are writing cash or bank account. Okay, no problem. Cash account debit to Dilip account. Cash account debit to Dilip account. Narration. Being part payment received. Part payment received. Now interest. Dilip account debit 240 to interest account 240 rupees. Being 12% interest charge for 3 months. 12% interest charge for 3 months. And now new bill. Bills receivable account debit 8,240 including interest to Dilip's account 8,240. Being new bill drawn with interest. New bill drawn with interest. Now look at the last case, D. Bank informed Narendra that Karthik's acceptance, मतलब यहाँ पे कार्तिक ड्रॉवी है, and Narendra, मतलब we are drawer, Karthik is a drawee. Okay, what happened? The Karthik's acceptance of 13,000 to Narendra discounted with the bank was dishonored and noting charges paid by bank 140. The case is the bill was discounted and dishonored. Now here we need to take the entry directly to the point. Discounted and dishonored. So entry will be Karthik account debit. Karthik is a drawee. Drawee को पहले debit करो. It is 13,140, including noting charges. To bank. Karthik account debit to bank account 13,140. Narration. Being Karthik's acceptance, comma, discounted with the bank, again comma, dishonored, dishonored, and noting charges paid by bank, noting charges paid by bank. All right, now we are going to solve the question number 13. Okay, आपको उसके लिए लाइन ड्रॉ करके रखना है. प्लीज प्रिपेयर जर्नल ऑफ भारती. ओके, so let us read the problem number 13. Okay, journalize the following transactions in the books of Bharati. So it is journal of Bharati. Okay, journal of Bharati. Now let us see one by one what is given to you. A, B, C, D. Bank informed that, see here we are Bharati. यहाँ पे हमारा रोल क्या है? We are accountant Bharati and we are going to write the entries according to Bharati. Bank informed that Amit's acceptance, okay, for 15,750 sent to bank for collection was honored. Honor हो गया, अच्छी बात है, honor हो गया. And bank charges debited were 150 rupees. Okay. By the way, here we are drawer. Bharati is a drawer and Amit is a drawee. तो अमित के ऊपर जो हमने बिल ड्रॉ किया था वो क्या हो गया? ऑनर हो गया. ओके, it was sent to bank for collection and honored, and moreover bank charges are paid 150. We need to take two entries here. So in the case of A, you write two entries, one for honor of the bill. When the bill is sent to bank for collection and honored, so bank account debit to bank for collection account. Bank account debit to bank for collection account. मतलब ये बिल हो गया honored. This bill is honored. Bank account debit to bank for collection account. Narration. Being Karthik's acceptance sent to bank for collection, honored. बैंक चार्जेस के लिए अलग एंट्री पास करना है. बैंक चार्जेस अकाउंट, नॉमिनल अकाउंट, एक्सपेंसेस डेबिट, ओके, टू बैंक, like this. That is the entry. So entry is coming in this way. बैंक चार्जेस अकाउंट डेबिट, ये हमारा एक्सपेंडिचर हो गया टू बैंक, and our bank balance is reduced by that much amount. Okay. Being bank charges debited by bank. Bank charges debited by bank. Now next, B. Nitin renewed his acceptance for 22,200 by paying 2,200 in cash along with interest on the balance at 10% per annum. Underline the wording in cash along with interest. मतलब आपको अभी interest cash में मिल रहा है. Okay. And accepted a fresh bill for the balance for 3 months. This is a renewal case. We are Bharati and Nitin's acceptance, मतलब as a drawer अभी 4 एंट्रीज पास करनी है. तो सबसे पहले बिल कैंसिल करो. Nitin's account debit 22,200 to bills receivable account. Bills receivable account 22,200. Narration. being Nitin's acceptance cancelled. Nitin's acceptance cancelled. अभी एक कैलकुलेशन यहाँ पे मैं दिखाने वाला हूँ, जैसे पिछले प्रॉब्लम में भी बताया था. So in cash we are getting 2,200, and what is the balance left is 20,000. Okay. And what is the rate of interest given to you? 10%. Of course, on balance, always on balance, and for 3 months. So actually, we are going to calculate 10% on 20,000. That is coming rupees 2,000 for full year. What is for 3 months? 3 महीने से कितनी है? It is coming 500. अब ये आपको इंटरेस्ट कैश में ऐड करना है. इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 जो अभी भी हमने सॉल्व किया है, that interest was included in the balance, मतलब न्यू बिल में ऐड किया था. Here it is added in the cash. Now what is the order of the entries? सबसे पहले आपको इंटरेस्ट का एंट्री पास करना पड़ेगा, बाद में कैश का, और बाद में न्यू बिल का. न्यू बिल इज ओनली फॉर द balance. So the entry for interest first. Nitin's account debit 500 to interest account rupees 500. Being 10% interest charge on balance, 10% interest charge on balance for 3 months. For 3 months. Now cash received. So you can write cash oblique bank account debit. Cash oblique bank account debit. 2,700 including interest. To Nitin's account. 2,700. Narration. Being interest received with, cash received with interest. Being cash received with interest. And now new bill 20,000 के लिए आने वाला है. Bills receivable account debit to Nitin's account. Bills receivable account debit to Nitin's account rupees 20,000. Being new bill drawn for balance for 3 months. Okay, now the next one. Dhanashri who had accepted Bharati's bill. Dhanashri ने bill accept किया था Bharati का, but the Bharati had drawer. Okay, and Dhanashri is a drawee. 17,500 was declared insolvent, and 40% of the amount could be recovered from private estate. Okay, so actually the total amount is 17,500. इसमें से हमको 40% बस मिल गया. We are getting 40%. 40% of 17,500 is 7,000. So this is received in cash, and remaining 10,500 is becoming your bad debts. ये आपका bad debts बन गया. Now here we are supposed to take the entry of directly the recovery after insolvency of drawee. Drawee मतलब Dhanashri is now insolvent. फिर उसके पास से हमको 40% अमाउंट मिल गया है. So entry for that is a cash oblique bank account debit 7,000. Bad debts account debit 10,500 to Dhanashri account. Dhanashri account 17,500. So we are getting the cash 40%. 40% of 17,500 आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो, उसका अमाउंट उतना ही आने वाला है 7,000 रुपीज. वो मिल गया, बाकी का गया. Bad debts हो गया. Then D, very very important, your attention required please. Okay, discharge our acceptance मतलब bills payable. For this we are drawing. Okay, to Savita for 9,450 by sending Praveens acceptance to us for these 9,000. Very important. मतलब सविता को जो बिल्स पेबल है वो 9,450 का दिया था, उसके बदले में प्रवीण का जो बिल रिसीवेबल है वो हमने 9,000 का दे दिया. Okay. Now what is the discount earned in this? This is the discount received in that. मिला कितना? 450. Okay. So in this case, what is the journal entry expected? Okay. Can you tell me the journal entry? मतलब इसमें एंट्री क्या आने वाला है? देखो इसमें डिस्कशन बहुत ज्यादा है. So I don't think that more problems are possible in one session. Okay. And so let us go slowly. अभी थोड़ा slow चलते हैं. And I want to give the explanation for that. Come on, tell me the entry for this. Okay. Kindly look at this carefully. सविता जिसको हमने हमारा एक्सेप्टेंस दिया है 9,450 का, against that we are giving the endorsement of the bill receivable drawn on Praveen for 9,000. And in between that, what is the discount we are getting is 450. So what is the expected journal entry? कोण मला एंट्री सांगू शकेल का? ट्राय करा, तुम्हाला डेफिनेटली सांगता येईल एंट्री. प्लीज आन्सर मी. यू कॅन टेल मी द आन्सर. तुम्ही 12th प्रॉब्लमची फर्स्ट एंट्री आठवा. फर्स्ट एंट्री ऑफ 12th प्रॉब्लम मतलब अभी का जो प्रॉब्लम हो गया 12 नंबर का, उसका फर्स्ट एंट्री क्या है देखो जरा. And can you do it accordingly? Please tell me the answer. Okay, look here. Against the liability, we are giving our asset and we are also getting the discount. So what is the expected entry here? Look here, this is a liability, है ना? And against that, this is the asset which is given. हमने एक asset दे दिया, okay, लेकिन वो कम कीमत का है. So what is the discount received is 450. Then what is the journal entry expected? इथे बघा, इथे केअरफुली बघा, तुम्हाला आन्सर देता येईल. यू कॅन टेल मी द आन्सर. एंजेला बोल, सांगणार का एंट्री? सांगता येईल तुला?
सर ट्राय करते मी.
ट्राय कर. ओके कर. आणखीन कोण ट्राय करतं? राज तू मला सांगणार का एंट्री?
बिल्स पेबल.
सॉरी बिल्स पेबल.
Bills payable account debit to bills receivable and discount account.
Correct है. That is the correct entry you are telling me. Absolutely correct entry. Okay. Bills payable account debit, because this is our liability which we want to settle. 9,450. उसके बदले में हमने क्या दिया? एसेट, मतलब बिल टू बिल्स रिसीवेबल, टू बिल्स रिसीवेबल, लेकिन कितने का दिया? 9,000 rupees. Then in between that, what is the discount received? Okay, what is the discount received by us? Amounting to 450. Discount received is 450 rupees. That is what expected, you know. Narration being acceptance given to Savita, paid by, acceptance given to Savita, paid by Pravin's acceptance to us, and discount received. Okay, now I am requesting you to solve the similar problems from your practice problem. आपको जो practice problem मैंने दिया है, okay, वहां से आप problem solve कर सकते हो. You are requested to solve that. That is very, very important. Okay, now let us meet tomorrow. उद्या आपण